Right, so I wanted to feature the setting up for the beach renourishment. This is a pipeline that will be pumping. They'll be pumping sand out of large dredging ships and then moving it around with the bulldozers here. In the video category of my YouTube channel, I've got a lot of hours of high-powered Nikon P900 and P1000 zoomed in views of heavy equipment operating out here. About 8 years ago, 9 years ago, something like that. And what I'm going to do as well is link up my research library information. You can see it on multiple platforms with my name and phone number being like computer code to find a high concentration of truth. I'm exposing the truth tellers and the deceivers as well in this library. And if you think I missed something or got it wrong, you could send me a link or you could give me a call anytime you like. This is in North Myrtle Beach, the Cherry Grove area. And they'll be starting on officially, from what I understand, on Monday. Should be a nice cool day. What they're saying is Sunday night in this area we'll have single-digit wind chill factor in South Carolina for a day or so. And then it'll be beautiful again. I'm out for a ride on the motorcycle tonight. It's a beautiful night for that. So anyway, thank you all for your public and private encouragement. And what I've discovered is actually pretty disturbing. People that we're supposed to be able to trust have got it wrong. Some have deliberately lied and deceived, and then there's a whole category of people that are buying it and promoting that false narrative. It's propaganda and psychological operations, and real stuff actually happens. And you can research it, look in my library if you care to. A wide variety of topics that wouldn't even be wise for me to name what they are. You can take a look if you're so inclined. So I'm convinced it's only by God's grace that anybody can love and believe the truth, let alone find it. So thank you so much, and I hope you're having a wonderful life. All right.